Hello my crafty friends, it's Maria Russell here with you today for Cat Scrappiness. In this video, I will be sharing with you some information about the Black Friday sale, as well as some new items recently released from the shop in case you haven't checked out the shop lately, as well as a giveaway. Stay tuned at the end of this video to find out about the giveaway. First off, here's the information about the Black Friday sale that Cat Scrappiness is going to have. It starts on November 22nd and ends on December 3rd. Cat Scrappiness will be having a 20% site-wide sale using the coupon code Santa 2019, and I will be putting all of these information in the description box below. But for every $50 plus order before shipping, every order $50 or more will receive a free gift. And then every order of 75 plus before shipping will also receive a free gift plus free shipping. And then every order of 100 plus will receive not only the free gift, the free shipping, but will also receive a free raffle ticket for Cat Scrappiness New Year's Bash giveaway, and that giveaway is going to be huge. So order everything that you have been wanting and everything that you have on your wish list, and you will be entered also in that giveaway if you reach $100. So all of the dies that I will be showing you today will also be linked in the description box below in case you would like to check them out. So moving on, I wanted to show you the new items recently released at Cat Scrappiness in October and November. These are some of my favorite dies, so I'm going to show you the regular dies first. So in October, Cat Scrappiness released this wonderful embossed edge dies, and I'm showing you the rectangle dies here. When we released this die in October, of course it was Halloween, so I made a Halloween card, and look at the embossed edge that it makes. And this was only die cut using my regular die cutting machine without any mat, and it gives that really nice embossed edge detail. And here's another card in white. This is a clean and simple card. I use a Casual Friday stamp set here for this card. If you can see, the embossed edge there is just so pretty. And this is another sample of a Halloween card that I made using the rectangle here and also the oval. So you can see it die cuts beautifully. It cuts like butter. So we have that in rectangle, as well as the square, the oval, circle, and the hearts. So this is also perfect for Valentine's Day, happy anniversary, love, friendship, anything. And we also released this Give Thanks sentiment die with the shadow, as well as the Give Thanks with the wreath. And I'm going to share a photo here real quick. And for November, we released 4 dies, and I'm going to share with you this first one. This is called the Christmas Tree Backdrop die, and this is what it looks like. And what I did here was I die cut it twice, and then I inlaid the color there to give me a red Christmas tree. I have a pink, white, and red theme going on here with the gold. I used the gold jewels, also available at the shop. And we also have the Ornament strip Coverplate die. And here is a sample of a card that I made. This is a shaker card. I also used the Jingle All the Way sentiment die and some of those small silver star confetti from the shop. And we also have 2 sentiments with the shadow. The first one is Merry Christmas, and here's the shadow, and this one is huge and it almost covers an A2 size card. And then the next one is a Happy Hanukkah with the shadow as well, and I'm going to share with you some photos here. Cat Scrappiness also released some shaker kits, and it comes in all shapes and sizes, including some holiday themed ones. This is one of the holiday themed ones with the reindeer here and the Santa with the sleigh. And it comes with an instruction at the back on how you can create your shaker kit. All you have to add is your adhesive and your shaker element and the backer. And here's a sample of what I made using this cardinal shaker kit. I colored this piece with my alcohol markers. I also added the glossy accents there to create some added dimension to the bird's beak, and use some Cat Scrappiness sequins. And then I added this pine needles here, and then the gingham bow with the jingle bell. And this creates a nice Christmas ornament, or you can add this on your card depending on what you like to do. And she also came out with a lot of like regular shape ones, perfect for birthdays or any other occasion. It's another Christmas one, a square, an oval, and some other shapes, and this is another Christmas ornament one. So these shaker kits are so inexpensive, and it already comes with the foam and the acetate sheet. All you have to do is add your shaker element and a backer, and there you go. It's all ready for you. So for the giveaway info, you have to be a subscriber to participate in my giveaway, because you guys have supported me all throughout the years, and I want to give something back, especially because Thanksgiving is coming up. Second, you have to leave a comment down below and let me know which die set is your favorite. So any of the die sets that I showed in this video, you can leave a comment and let me know your favorite, and then I will be picking a winner, one winner, on November 30th. Don't forget to order all of your favorites at Cat Scrappiness during Black Friday sale up to Cyber Monday. All of the information will be in the description box below, as well as links to everything that you've seen in this video today. So thank you again for joining me. I will be announcing the winner on November 30. Good luck, happy crafting, and happy stamping.